To make Google Forms not require sign-in, follow these steps. First, open Google Forms and click on the settings icon, which is represented by 3 vertical dots. Select the General Settings option from the drop-down menu. In the General Settings section, you will see an option that says Require Sign-in. Toggle the switch next to it to the off position. This will allow users to submit the form without having to sign in to their Google account. Alternatively, you can also disable the Require Sign-in option when you are creating a new form. To do this, click on the settings icon on the top right corner of the Form Builder page and toggle the switch next to Require Sign-in to the off position. It is essential to note that disabling the Require Sign-in option may pose some security risks, as it allows anyone to submit the form. To mitigate this risk, you can add a CAPTCHA verification to your form to prevent spam submissions. To add a CAPTCHA verification, go to the settings icon and select the Presentation Settings option. Scroll down to the CAPTCHA section and toggle the switch next to it to the on position. This will add a CAPTCHA verification to your form, which will help prevent spam submissions. By following these steps, you can make Google Forms not require sign-in, allowing users to submit the form without having to sign in to their Google account. However, it is crucial to consider the security implications of disabling the Require Sign-in option and take necessary precautions to prevent spam submissions.